Welcome to EngQuiz. Today, we're diving into the basics of how to write proper sentences. Whether you're learning English, improving your writing, or just brushing up, mastering sentence structure is key to clear communication. To build a proper sentence, you need two main ingredients, a subject and a predicate. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells us what the subject does or is. A simple sentence might be, "The dog barks." Here, the dog is the subject, and barks is the predicate or the action. Every complete sentence must have these two parts. To make your sentences more descriptive and interesting, you can add more details. Use adjectives to describe nouns, like the fluffy cat sleeps, and adverbs to describe verbs, like the cat sleeps quietly. These details make your sentence more vivid for the reader. Now, let's explore different types of sentences. There are four main types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Declarative sentences state facts, like, "The sky is blue." Interrogative sentences ask questions, like, "Is the sky blue?" Imperative sentences give commands, like, "Look at the sky." And exclamatory sentences express strong emotions, like, "What a beautiful sky." Now, let's look at some common mistakes people make in sentence writing. One frequent error is sentence fragments, which are incomplete sentences missing a subject, predicate, or both. For example, "Running down the street" is not a complete sentence. To fix it, add a subject and complete the thought. "She was running down the street." Another common issue is run-on sentences, which happen when two or more complete sentences are combined without proper punctuation. For example, "She loves cats, she has 3 at home," can be corrected to, "She loves cats." She has 3 at home. Let's put it all together with some practice. I'll show you a sentence, and you decide if it's complete or if it needs fixing. Great job! Now you know the basics of building proper sentences. Remember, start with a subject and a predicate. Add details, choose the right sentence type, and avoid common mistakes. Practice makes perfect, so keep writing, and you'll improve in no time.